some kind of bubble stuff. Gum.
You better hit that.
What the? No, no.
Or shake it.
Relax. If you don't like it, you don't have to eat it. It's just an experiment, maybe. Ooh, mint.
Thing.
Coffee. Oh, sorry, Sean.
Nice, good one.
Now everybody got it.
I got pink glue.
Yeah.
Good
Well,
stuff.
that's gonna smell like
It's
strawberry.
probably gonna smell like pink.
That was
Is that your last one, Joey?
One more.
Last one.
Oh. Ooh, I don't remember seeing one that looked like that.
Whoa, it flew
Oh,
out.
wow. That's pretty.
Oh, is that ever cool?
Oh.
That's
It's a
pretty.
bouncy ball, but look at it, Joe. Look inside it. The sparkles move around.
Yeah, I know. When you bounce it, it's gonna go.
It's gonna go bananas.
That's awesome. Merry Christmas, everybody.
Yeah, what a
Merry
great stocking
Christmas.
Santa gave us.
Whoa.
Yippee! Stocking!
Whoa.